Today I decided to make a video on the 5 things I've learned about hosting dinner parties while trying not to burn down my kitchen. Yeah, so follow along for the journey. Step number 1 is definitely listening to who your guests are and who you're inviting over. For example, if you are having a party full of vegans, it probably would not be a good idea to make a meat dish like I'm doing now. Number 2, always have food ready out for the guest before your dinner party is actually served. This can be something small, whether it be like chips and salsa or just like some fruit plate, but it's really good to have while your guests are waiting. Number 3, anticipate bad timing. For example, if you're trying out a new recipe, it might take you 30 to 40 minutes longer to cook it than you might realize. So always keep that in the back of your mind and add some extra time buffers so your guests aren't waiting too long for their food. Number 4, have some other games or other activities planned. I know dinner parties are normally about the food that you're eating, but it's also good to have something fun for your guests to do. Otherwise, it's not just sitting in conversation. It really makes a huge difference. And lastly, number 5, remember that your happiness and your amount of fun is just as important as your guests. If you're not having fun and you're really stressed out during your party, no one else is. So make sure to have fun. I hope this video was helpful. I know it was a little short, but I just wanted to give you some basics that really helped me on my journey. As becoming this little hostess and event planner. Comment if you want the full recipe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!